When it comes to modern kitchen appliances, this Empava 36-inch Induction Hob electric cooktop stands out as a true game changer. Designed with advanced features and innovative technology, this flat glass top stove with 5 burners promises to elevate your cooking experience. This review delves into its design, functionality, performance, safety features, and overall value, providing a comprehensive understanding of what makes this cooktop an excellent addition to any kitchen. The first impression of the Empava 36-inch induction cooktop is its sleek and stylish appearance. The revolutionary ceramic glass technology used in its construction not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also enhances its durability. The premium ceramic glass surface is designed to withstand high temperatures and resist scratches, maintaining a pristine look even after extensive use. This advanced technology reduces the risk of glass cracking by 50%, ensuring longevity and reliability. Cleaning is hassle-free. A simple wipe with a damp cloth keeps the surface looking new, saving you time and effort. One of the standout features of this induction cooktop is its innovative bridge functionality. This feature allows the cooking areas to adapt to your specific culinary needs, offering unparalleled flexibility. You can use the cooking zones as either a unified area or as 2 independent zones. This adaptability is perfect for cooking with larger pans or griddles. The dual inductors in each area ensure consistent power levels when transitioning cookware across zones. Unused sections are automatically deactivated, enhancing both efficiency and safety. For those with busy lifestyles, the powerful booster feature is a significant advantage. This function allows you to temporarily intensify the power of any cooking zone for up to 5 minutes, significantly reducing cooking times. Whether you need to boil water quickly or sear meat, the booster function ensures that your meals are prepared swiftly without compromising quality. This feature is particularly useful for time-sensitive recipes, making your cooking process more efficient and enjoyable. Safety is a top priority with the Empava 36-inch induction cooktop, which is equipped with a comprehensive safety suite. This includes residual heat warnings, auto shutdown, overheat protection, overflow protection, and a child lock. These features work together to protect you and your family from potential hazards, providing peace of mind while enhancing the cooktop's usability. The residual heat warnings alert you when the surface is still hot, preventing accidental burns. The auto shutdown feature ensures that the cooktop turns off automatically if it overheats or if no cookware is detected, adding an extra layer of safety. Efficiency and performance are further optimized with the intelligent auto pan detection feature. This technology alerts you if unsuitable or incorrectly positioned cookware is detected, ensuring optimal energy use and cooking performance. By guiding you to use the correct cookware and positioning it properly, this feature helps achieve perfect culinary results every time. It also prevents energy wastage, making the cooktop more eco-friendly and cost-effective. Life is full of interruptions, but the Empava induction cooktop ensures that these interruptions don't compromise your cooking. The convenient stop-and-go feature allows you to pause all cooking zones with a single touch. When you're ready to resume cooking, another touch brings the cooktop back to its previous settings. This functionality is particularly useful for busy households where multitasking is a necessity. It ensures that your meals proceed smoothly without the risk of burning or unnecessary delays. Time management is crucial in the kitchen, and the Empava induction cooktop excels in this area with its versatile timer options. You can use the timer as a reminder or set it to automatically turn off cooking zones after a predetermined duration of up to 99 minutes. This dual functionality ensures precision cooking, whether you're simmering a delicate sauce, sautéing vegetables, or boiling pasta. The timer helps you keep track of multiple dishes simultaneously, making your cooking process more organized and stress-free. The Empava induction cooktop features user-friendly slider-level controls that make adjusting the settings a breeze. The LED sensor touchscreen is highly responsive and provides clear visibility of the settings, even from a distance. This intuitive control panel enhances the overall cooking experience, allowing you to make quick and precise adjustments with minimal effort. With 5 burners, the Empava cooktop offers ample cooking space for preparing multiple dishes at once. The variety of power and temperature settings caters to a wide range of cooking techniques, from slow simmering to high heat searing. The cooktop's performance is consistently reliable, delivering even heat distribution and rapid temperature adjustments. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this induction cooktop meets all your culinary needs with ease. Conclusion: the Empava 36-inch Induction Hob electric cooktop is a top-of-the-line kitchen appliance that combines cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design. Its revolutionary ceramic glass surface, innovative bridge functionality, powerful booster feature, comprehensive safety suite, and intelligent auto-pan detection make it a standout choice for any modern kitchen. The convenient pause functionality and versatile timer options further enhance its appeal, making cooking more efficient and enjoyable. With its sleek design, robust performance, and user-friendly features, the Empava Induction Cooktop offers exceptional value for both novice cooks and experienced chefs. It not only elevates your cooking experience, but also ensures safety and efficiency, making it a worthwhile investment for any home. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or looking for a reliable cooktop for daily use, the Empava 36-inch Induction Hob electric cooktop is an excellent choice that won't disappoint. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.